Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you 7 AI side hustles that are actually working in 2026. I'll break down each one so you can start right away. No fake hype, no unrealistic promises, just real opportunities you can start today. Let's get into it. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write blog posts, website content, and emails. Charge $22 per article. 20 articles can earn you $400 to $1,000 a month. Start today and build your income stream. With Canva AI tools, you can create stunning designs in minutes. For example, YouTube thumbnails that get more views or professional Instagram posts to boost your engagement. We also make business graphics like Lovagon with just $10 per design. Earn through ads and affiliate links. Consistency equals long-term income. And keep creating content consistently for sustain a path to financial success. Use tools like 11 Labs to create professional voiceovers, perfect for podcast narration, YouTube videos, and more. We charge between $20 and $100 per project. Contact us today to get started. Shopify's AI tools make it easy to create compelling content. Watch how it instantly generates a product description. Now let's create an ad and a targeted email. It's that simple. Save time and grow your business. Struggling with social media? Our AI creates captions, schedules posts, and writes hooks for you. Small businesses pay just $300,000 a month. Boost your growth effortlessly. Ebooks are a great way to start selling your knowledge. Next, create templates to package your expertise. Notion planners are popular for productivity. Finally, sell on marketplaces to reach customers. Master it. Stay consistent for 3 months. That's how real money is made.